I may ask you, how young are you?
I'm 72 years young. ਕੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਉਮਰ ਚ ਕੀ ਫਰਕ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਧੀਰੇ ਧੀਰੇ ਚੱਲ ਲਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ when they asked me at that time there was improvement and they saw it. Yes, that knee which wasn't even moving has started moving.
तो पहले दिन कितना डेडलिफ्ट किया था?
I think it must have been 10-15, something like that. Of course, I'm ready for 50 now.
You're ready for 50? Yes, yes. Hi everyone, welcome to CAF's Unlikely Strong. I'm your host Mehak Kapoor. In today's episode, we would be meeting a lady who was advised knee replacement surgery at a certain age where everybody is advised so. But she chose to strength train instead, defying all the rules of age and lifting 45 kgs of deadlift along with that, all the myths off the floor. Please welcome Mrs. Kiran Gandhi.
Hi, Mehak. Thank you.
How do you feel?
Oh my God, I'm feeling so happy because I'm at my favorite place.
So if I may ask you, how young are you?
Can you guess it?
I know it. But that's for the audience to guess
Okay,
and seek inspiration.
I'm 72 years young.
Okay, great. And so tell us about your journey where I think 2 years back, you were advised knee replacement surgery. 70 की एज में बहुत से लोगों को एडवाइस किया जाता है. I mean, अगर किसी को भी मैं इस उम्र में मिलती हूँ तो वो या तो उनको डॉक्टर ने एडवाइस किया होता है या वो चल नहीं रहे होते, ज्यादा अवॉइड कर रहे होते हैं मूवमेंट. तो आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी, आप बताइए.
My journey, because I got married to Air Force chap and I was a very active lady. And in those days, everyone used to think that if you walk, maybe brisk walk, you are very fit. I used to do that. But over a period of time, my knees started hurting. And I still kept walking only. I didn't do any exercise. But slowly, you see, my speed was not matching up with my husband. And then I met few doctors and they gave me medicines and all that. But no, I can say, going down and down. And then one doctor advised that I had to go for knee surgery. Definitely, I think no one wants surgery.
Yes, yeah.
So it's the same with me.
Frustrating also.
Yeah,
being able to do
yeah,
things.
absolutely right. And I decided that no, I'll not get the surgery done. That's where my family really helped. And they said, if we can do some strength training for you or some physiotherapy, I said, okay. And that's how one fine day, a limping lady, I really started limping and I came here and met Mehak and Balvinda.
So, Kiran ma'am, tell me that while you were going through that pain of not being able to walk, not being able to do your daily activities, तो वो टाइम कैसा था? फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग था? क्या क्या नहीं कर पाते थे आप? कितनी पेन थी आपको?
Oh, don't ask me. Definitely. Pain kept increasing. And slowly, like you see, earlier I used to walk for 1 hour. Then it came down to 5 minutes. I could not walk more than 5 minutes at a stretch. I couldn't stand in the kitchen more than 10 minutes. I couldn't climb up the stairs. So it had become very difficult. No doubt about that.
So at that time, your family, you felt कि आप अपनी family को भी time नहीं दे पा रहे. या उनके साथ कुछ ऐसा कभी हुआ that you are not able to go somewhere because of your problem?
Yeah, when we used to make a plan for going out for picnics or going somewhere, no, I used to say, no, I don't want to go. I stopped going for movies also,
Sitting
which I
for long
love,
hours,
but still it was difficult. All those normal things were very, very difficult.
तो मैम मुझे ये बताइए, सर्जरी तो एक बड़ा मैं सोचती हूँ इजी ऑप्शन है फॉर पीपल टू सी everybody, every third person at your age is going for a surgery. But you chose a very unconventional way of strength training at the age where people can't even dream of. इस उम्र में शुरू करने जा रहे हो. So आपको कोई सेल्फ डाउट्स थे? आपको लगा आप कर पाओगे? आपको लगा कभी कि मैं कहीं और इंजर ना हो जाऊं?
नहीं. I come from a family of very strong people. So basically, I'm a very strong person. And I listen to my heart. My mom, in her 80s, she used to do Havan every day. She was a strong lady. My dad, the strongest. And in my husband's family, my father-in-law, a yoga teacher. So somewhere, मुझे लगा कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए कि मैं शायद स्ट्रांग हो जाऊं.
हाँ, अभी जान बहुत
अभी बाकी है.
Okay, so then you thought of coming to CAF. Before that, आप अपनी जर्नी बताओ. फिजियोस पे गए होंगे, कुछ घर में कुछ एक्सरसाइज
फिजियोस भी गई, मेडिसिन्स भी ली, फिर किसी ने कहा कि इंजेक्शन लगवा लीजिए नीज में.
लगवाया आपने?
मैंने वो भी किया.
अच्छा, वो भी किया.
कुछ फायदा नहीं, किसी से कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. टेम्परेरी रिलीफ, यस, फिजियोथेरेपी से टेम्परेरी रिलीफ मुझे बहुत बार मिला. पर फिर मुझे समझ आया कि ये तो टेम्परेरी. फिर जब मेरी बेटी ने मुझे कहा कि यहाँ पे मैं किसी को जानती हूँ जो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं, मम्मा आप चलोगे? I said yes. And I came here and here I am. Now I can climb the stairs. I can go for my walks. I can go for my holidays. Just now I'm back from.
So मैम मुझे ये बताइए, जब आपने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग शुरू की, उसमें क्या स्ट्रगल थी? क्या एकदम से हो गया सब, या पहला दिन कैसा था, सेकंड डे कैसा था, सेकंड मंथ कैसा था?
This is the time I would like to say thank you to Mehak and Balwinder. Thank you, God, I met them. The first day, definitely, when I came here and Balwinder told me to sit down on a very low chair. I said, Balwinder, I can't sit. I can't sit. This is so low. I never sit on low because I stopped doing that. It used to be so painful. He said, okay, I'll help you. So he helped me. I think holding that hand that day gave me that courage. Okay, I can do it. And initially, when we started doing the training, and it used to hurt a lot. So many times I thought, why I am doing this? But I didn't ask anyone. I didn't tell anyone. It was only me. I was talking to myself that I was living in pain. Here I come, they give me more pain. Why I am doing it? But like I always say, I'm a strong girl.
Yes, you are.
And I listen to my heart.
Yes.
Then I thought, I'll do it. And here I am.
Yeah, not many times I've seen people when they experience certain pain while they are training, they give up. मुझे सूट नहीं कर रहा. But आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आपको ये बहुत सूट कर रही है चीज, despite the pain and difficulties that you were facing during your strength training?
Somewhere, I knew. Although, I'll be honest, I only did brisk walking. And I knew something I never did which was wrong, that is exercise. I knew it, but I didn't do it. Yes, I agree. Here, when Balwinder taught me, so I became a very good student.
Yes.
And I realized, yes, that me, which wasn't even moving, has started moving. With the pain, I knew that's improvement हो रहा है. And after that, it was lost. No doubts. And I was very clear that I have to do it.
Breaking all the barriers.
Breaking all
Yes,
the barriers.
yes. So, ma'am, you seem to have a very colorful social life. You have a lot of friends, a lot of friend circle. You're a very friendly person. So, do you think at a point where you spoke about your strength training at the age of 70 plus with your friends, कहीं से आपको कोई laughter या कोई ऐसी स्टोरी, अरे इस उम्र में, क्योंकि आई बिलीव लड़कियों में स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करना बहुत अनकॉमन है. इवन of people at a very young age, in their 20s also, they are not strength training, mostly women, they are not. But 70-year-old strength training करना तो बहुत ही miraculous है. तो आपको कहीं से आपकी सहेलियों ने कुछ कभी ऐसा लगा आपको?
बिल्कुल
लगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मेरे पीठ पीछे नहीं, मुझे कहा किरण कुछ नहीं हो, सॉरी, कैन आई स्पीक इन
Yeah, yes, of course.
की करदी पई है इस उम्र च की फर्क पैंदा धीरे धीरे चल ला. मैं क्या नहीं. When they asked me, by that time there was improvement and they saw it, but still they said की हो गया. ठीक है, आजकल लिंपिंग घट गई, मैं क्या पूरी खत्म करूंगी. एक दिन मैं तुम सबको दिखाऊंगी कि अब मैं लिंप नहीं करती. और वो दिन आया. I'm so sad.
तो अब वो आपसे इंस्पिरेशन भी सीख करती होंगी कि देखो ये हमारी आ गई स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल.
Yes.
Do they? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I'm sure.
Yes, they do that. They do that.
So, किरण मैम मुझे ये बताया, आप जैसे स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करते हो, आपकी डेली लाइफ में क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स है अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू डोंट लिम्प एज मच और यू आर एबल टू वॉक, और क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आई हैं? कहीं कोई कॉन्फिडेंस आया है? थोड़ा बताइए.
Of course. मैंने आपको बताया, मैंने बाहर निकलना कम कर दिया, पार्टी जाना कम कर दिया, पिक्चर्स नहीं देखना, किचन में जाना बंद कर दिया. बिकॉज किचन में यदि आप कोई डिश कुक करने जा रहे हैं तो 45 minutes to 1 hour is minimum. That I could never do. Here I am, पंजाबन, साग बनाया था. So that those small things, like if I'm sitting and मुझे उठना है, मैं उठ नहीं सकती थी. I used to take help from here and there, and then only I used to get up. Now I can get up straight away. I can start walking straight away. Earlier, बैठ के उठना, उसके बाद मुझे रेस्ट करना पड़ता था. Only then I walk. Here I am now. Just recently we had a party and I danced for 1 hour.
Oh my God! Dance for 1 hour, amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
yeah. So these are every day is a happy day for me now. No doubt about it. It's only my strength training.
So किरण मैम, आज भी आप रोज आते हो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग के लिए हर दूसरे दिन एज पर योर शेड्यूल, और 2-2.5 साल आपको हो गए हैं. तो आपको कभी आज भी सेल्फ डाउट लगता है या कभी लगता है नहीं हो रहा और नहीं हो रहा? क्या स्ट्रगल रहती है?
कभी कभी होता है. और मैं बिल्कुल उसी समय में बलविंदर से कहती हूँ कि बलविंदर आज ये नहीं हो पा रहा. And that's where he says, okay, we'll not do this exercise. We'll go for the other exercise. And he tells me now, whatever I'm doing, although I'm not all that intelligent in these things. Sorry, but he tells me. And somewhere I have initially, I didn't even know what is muscle or what is the strength training. I really didn't know. I heard the deadlift for hair only for the first time because one day Balwinder said, "Today we'll do deadlift." I said, "What's that?" He said, "You'll have to lift weight." I said, "Balwinder, can I do that?" He said, "Yes, you can do it." And here I am. I said, "Okay." And
तो पहले दिन कितना डेडलिफ्ट किया था?
I think it must have been 10, 15, something like that.
और अभी रिसेंटली 45 केजीज दैट आई नो।
I think I did
तो
that.
आपको लगा आप कर पाओगे?
When it was 10, 15, only once, I thought, कि पता नहीं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, but I have faith in my trainer because he, of course, he is pushing me. He is pushing me. And here I am. When he said, okay, we'll increase to 30, 40, and the last was 45 kg. I said, okay, Balwinder, I'm ready. My posture is okay. I always ask him. And he said, yes, start. And I did it.
Wow.
And I'm really proud of him.
Yes, yes,
That
you should be.
I could-
And it's an
I
inspiring
could
thing
do
for
it.
all of
I
us.
could.
Yes, yes.
No, of course, I'm ready for 50 now.
You're ready for 50? Yes, yes.
Yes.
सो किरण मैम, आपको जैसे अभी हमारी ऑडियंस सुन रही है, कई लोग देख रहे हैं आपको, कैफ में तो रोज देखते हैं लोग आपको, बट अदरवाइज आउटसाइड दिस फेयर कोई लेडी होंगी जो 70 ईयर ओल्ड है या आसपास है इस उम्र के, या उनको एडवाइस किया गया है कि अब आप ज्यादा नहीं चलो, आप बैठ जाओ या अपनी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी करा लो, वो अगर सुन रही हैं आपको, वो कहेंगी मैं कैसे शुरू करूँ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग, या मैं नहीं कर सकती, ये कर रही हैं बट मैं नहीं कर सकती, उनके लिए आपको कोई एडवाइस दो, अपनी जर्नी का कुछ हिस्सा बताओ कि अगर आप कर सकते हो तो वो भी कर सकती हैं, क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I think one word. It's never, never too late to start. Start today, maybe just now. Listen to your heart. Don't listen to others. You can do it. Everyone can do it. I'll give you one example. I was just in my 40s when one day I thought this coloring business and everything, I wasn't comfortable. Here I am. I listen to my heart. I stopped doing that. So listen to your heart. Your body is telling you. Listen to your body. Don't listen to other people. So what? It's slightly late. Whatever it is, you didn't start few years back. You can start it. Everyone can do it. And I think I want to do it when I am in my 90s.
यस, यस, डेफिनेटली।
Yes.
मैम, आपको कहीं लगता है कि सपोर्ट फैमिली की नहीं होती और वो पीछे हो जाती हैं लेडीज, उनको लगता है अगर वो बात करती हैं घर पे, अरे इस उम्र में कहाँ जा रही हो?
You are right, Mehak. You are right. That's why I said listen to your heart, not others.
थोड़ा स्टबन होना पड़ेगा।
बनना पड़ेगा, बनना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वास्तव में सब यही कहेंगे क्या हुआ, धीरे तेज नहीं चल सकते, धीरे चलना, किचन में काम नहीं हो सकता, छोड़ दो, ये नहीं हो सकता, इसको छोड़ दो, वो नहीं हो सकता, उसको छोड़ दो। मुझे तो वो सब करना है जो मैं 40s में करती थी। मुझे तो करना है और मुझे बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आजकल मैं कर रही हूँ।
So the universe actually listens to the stubborn heart.
Yes, yeah, you're right.
So मैम, आप मुझे ये बताओ, जैसे आप यहाँ आते हो कैफ में, यूजुअल एज ग्रुप इज बिटवीन 40 to 50, आई वुड से, तो आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि आप आए हो, वो तो सब यंग हैं, कभी आपको ऐसा, या आपको उल्टा लगा कि देखो मैं इस उम्र में भी आ रही हूँ?
देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम यंग एट माय,
Yes, you
don't go with
definitely
my
are.
grey hair. So no, the atmosphere here is very good, and rather I learn from the young girls also. Sometimes I ask Ravinder, मैं कर सकती हूँ? And he says, yes, one day you will do it. So I wait for that one day. And I think one fine day I'll be doing it with all the girls.
Yes, yes. You have been doing group workouts. Yes. So Kiran ma'am, what you are doing is something very extraordinary. आपने कभी सोचा नहीं था आप एक ordinary lady हो जो एक family woman है, who is looking after the house, who has her social circle, life going on. बट आपने इतना एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी स्टेप लिया टू defy the conventional norms of going for a easy option like knee replacement surgery but choosing to train रोज अपने आप को एक तरह से पनिशमेंट देनी
No
स्ट्रेन
punishment.
डिफिकल्ट एक
Difficult.
ऑप्शन आपने चूज
Yes,
की
it's a difficult.
हाँ, सो
Agree.
आपको अब कैसा लगता है आपके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन आपको देखते हैं आप नेबर्स को इंस्पायर कर रहे हो everybody around you, whether they are of your age or of your grandchildren age, कैसा लगता है आप?
There was a time my granddaughter Manya, she used to say, Nani, can you make curry for me? I used to say, okay, child, I'll make it. I used to think twice, thrice. I used to plan one day before so that I could. And here I am. Now, my Manya says, Nani, saag kab khila rahe ho?
हाँ.
I said, kal.
हाँ.
I said, kal.
हाँ, so जो छोटी-छोटी
छोटी
खुशियाँ
छोटी
हैं.
खुशियाँ
हम्म,
छोटी
हम्म.
and she's also inspired.
So किरण मैम आपने एक बड़ा अनलाइकली पाथ चूज किया है. Not going for an easy option like knee replacement surgery, but instead choosing to strength train, and which is a very extraordinary thing that you are doing. बट जब आप आए थे आप तो अपनी आपकी एक प्रॉब्लम थी पेन थी आपको वो रिलीव करने आए थे लाइक एनी अदर ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन ऑफ योर एज बट वो देखते देखते अब आपको देखते हैं हम तो यू आर एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी यू आर अ हीरो फॉर अस you inspire not only people around you but also people in your family your grandchildren your nieces nephew unke grandchildren तो आपको कैसा लगता है डू यू फील लाइक अ हीरो या आपको लगता है अभी भी मैं ऑर्डिनरी हूँ मैंने तो बस अपनी पेन रिलीव की है
नहीं, not hero, but definitely I think I have inspired my friends. Two friends, they have started going to yoga classes. And my one friend has started going to gym also. But like you said, family, I know.
Yes.
मेरी granddaughter Manya, पहले वो कभी मुझे कहती थी ना, नानी मेरे लिए कढ़ी बना दोगे? मैं उसको कहती थी, अच्छा बना दूंगी. और मुझे कभी-कभी 2-2 दिन लग जाते थे उसकी प्रिपरेशन करने में, उसको बनाने में. आज दिस इज द चेंज कि वो कहती है, नानी मुझे कढ़ी खानी है. ऐसे ओके, कल मिलेगी,
हाँ.
क्योंकि दही को खट्टा
हाँ.
करना पड़ता है.
Super.
So
They look up to you, your
yeah, and they are
family
so
members,
happy. My
yes.
grandchildren are so happy that she says, my nanny is the strongest.
Oh, yes. Her nanny is the strongest, definitely. So, Kiran ma'am, we are going to start with rapid fire. I'm going to ask you questions. You have to answer them as fast as possible. Jo man mein aaye.
Okay.
ठीक है? Okay, first question. Gym or home workouts?
Gym.
First reaction when you lifted 45 kg, shocked or proud?
Proud.
Deadlifts or squats, your favorite?
Deadlift.
One word to describe how your knees feel now.
Happy and healthy.
Early mornings or afternoon training?
Mornings.
People's reaction when you tell them that you deadlift?
You know.
One myth about aging you have completely broken.
Age is just a number.
Yes. Your message in 3 words to people over 60.
Start exercising today.
Wow, great. So, Kiran ma'am, we won't let you go like this. You have to tell us your future goals. What do you think you want to see yourself in coming years? What are your goals and targets and ambitions in terms of strength training?
First thing first, 50 kg, 60 kg,
Yeah.
maybe more. Maybe more. And I really want to build my muscles. I want to do training. And like I said, even in my 90s, I would love to come to CAF and do my exercises.
Super, super. You will be. Thank you so much, Kiran ma'am, for coming to CAF Unlikely Strong. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mehak, for calling me here.